Hey you guys, today's video is in partnership with Luv Me Hair. You guys, they were kind enough to send me a glueless sleek piano highlights closure bob. Y'all, this is a 4x4 closure wig. The color is a 430 and the wig is 12 inches, y'all. They sent me a wig cap and some cards and some extra goodies, okay? Now, getting into this wig, you guys, I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. I was actually very nervous because straight out of the package, it was given, your mom going to church. I was a little afraid that I wouldn't be able to sleek it. But listen, we sleeked this bob, okay? So, yeah, I went ahead and did a little bit of plucking. This wig does not need any plucking at all, to be honest. You could do something really small. That's what I did. And I didn't actually have to cut the ends. All I had to do was flat iron this wig. Throw some glue. You don't even got to use glue for real. You can use even spray. But because I might be wearing this wig to work, I was like, you know what? Let me put some glue on in this Texas heat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get into this install. I will tell y'all this hair was silky and very easy to work with, y'all. My bob was not stiff anywhere, okay? So starting off with the flat iron process, y'all, the only product that I use to flat iron is my Baby Bliss or Baby Bliss, whatever it's called, flat iron. And then I use the Erica J Sleek and Shine spray, which is honestly right now my favorite heat protectant. Don't mind the smoke, you guys. The spray that I sprayed is a heat protectant, so it didn't burn the hair or nothing. So don't mind the spray. Now, it took me, I would say, about an hour to fully flat iron the wig. I just want to show you guys how the spray really helped the wig just, oh my God. It just made the wig so flawless and very shiny and sleek compared to the other half. So y'all see, I flat iron it right here. And then it just made the bob, it got the bob together, okay? Now, y'all know me. It don't matter if I'm doing a frontal or a closure. I love me a little ball cap method. So I'm going in with a HD ball cap, not a normal ball cap. Y'all, this is HD. That's why, it looks so transparent. I'm going in with that and some cream foundation in my skin color. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw the wig on and see. Because I was really nervous. I'm like, I don't know how this wig going to look. But the wig actually is perfect for beginners, y'all. It's literally a throw on. Flat iron, hot comb, a little bit of spritz, do your makeup and go, okay? So, yeah.
Put your back into it. I'm rocking it so good. They can't wait to try me. I work it so good. Man, these niggas tryna buy me. He love the way I ride. He love the way I ride. He love the way
I love the way you ride the beat, baby. I love it. Luda.
Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Little day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck up good in a pussy, no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Yeah, that shit out there gun in the money.
So when it comes to baby hairs, y'all know I usually struggle, but I actually got it right this time. As y'all seen in the intro and as y'all will see in the outro, I ate them baby hairs up, okay? So I've been doing better with baby hairs, but it just takes a while. You guys will see me try this about probably 3 times. And my issue with baby hairs is that I pull out too much hair. Not I pull out too much hair, but the hair be too long. I be cutting it too long. So I'm learning now, y'all, and I'm realizing that you really just need to take your time with baby hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm telling y'all, this wig is an absolute steal. It is perfect for the summer. I know it's hot. Y'all don't want to wear no wig. Y'all want braids. But in case you do want to wear a wig, get you this short, cute bob from Luv Me Hair, y'all. I will leave everything linked down below, as well as a coupon code if they have one. If I don't link a coupon code, just go on their website, you guys. They have so many sales, like weekly. I just went on the website and I saw like a 60% off. Like, they have so many sales. And being that this bob is only 12 inches, I know this wig is affordable, okay? So thank you so much to Luv Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. I got the wig quick. Customer service was amazing. I have absolutely no complaints, okay? So yeah, thank y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
My niggas are dumb. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to school. Just picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Little day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck up good in a pussy, no must. Love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Yeah, this shit out there ground in the mud. I blow push, got these clouds on her butt. Throw them rats up and look like a flood.